Hey guys, Megatron1717 here, and today's video is going to be about the Random Monday for December 23rd, 2019. So apparently we have a Jamaaliday gift. Let's look at it. Wow, a diamond. Whoa, that's so cool. Okay, let's go find the Random Monday for today. Okay, let's go check in Jam Mark clothing and see if it's here. Well, I guess it's not here. I guess we will check Epic Wonders. Whoa, I guess everyone's here. Okay, one must be here then. Oh, wait, here it is. Here is the rant on Monday for today. A rare Jamaaliday Fairy Princess Hat is 2,600 gems in Epic Wonders. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications to all. And I wish I had a video for the Play Wild app, but I don't. So thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.